Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's a Wonderful Plan. I'm Tina. Thank you so much for joining me today in another video. This is really exciting for me. I have my Erin Condren seasonal surprise box here to share with you. Now, this is the first time that I ordered a surprise box from them, and I just love fall. Like, fall is my favorite season, and I just saw these beautiful leaves on here, and I know lots of times the box will depict like what you're going to actually get in it, so I love the way that this looks. Erin Condren designed this a little bit differently, I think, from their previous seasonal boxes. They gave us a couple of options. So there were 2 covers that we could choose from, and then there were also sizes that you could choose from. And then they had an add-on item available. I opted to not get the add-on item because I just didn't really need it. So let's go ahead, open it up. I haven't even like sliced it open yet, so let's go ahead and do that. I've had this sitting here and I just haven't had a chance to film it, so I'm really, really excited. Ooh, look at the pretty blue on the inside. Okay, so let me try to get this open without touching the top here. Oh, pretty. When you find balance, you find peace. Look at the inside cover there. Really, really pretty. But look at how pretty this comes. Okay, so here's a little card. And oh, look at it. When you find balance, you find peace. All right, and then it does have everything itemized in here that we're going to get. I did see some of the items, and actually Erin Condren told us, oh, this is so pretty. They sent out an email that if you got this box, they had some quality issues, I guess, with one of the items in here, and that they were it may not come in the box, but we would get it separately. So once I go through everything, I'll go ahead and share with you if that's the case. But love the way they wrap everything. I love the paper and just having everything so secure. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love it. Okay, so this was the cover option that we had to choose from. So there were 2 different ones to choose from. There was this one here, and then there was another one, but I forgot what that one looked like. And I really liked this one with the leaves, and I chose to get it for my A5 size. So I'm so happy that I did. I love it. And then let's see, we've got all different kinds of things here. We've got a sticky notepad. Oh, that looks really pretty. We've got, oh, these are kind of cool. Some binder clips. Wow, these are like huge. There's a couple of pens in here. There's a sticker sheet. Oh my God, these are so cute. I'll go through everything in more detail with you, but let's see. This is probably, I know what's in here. And let's see. Yeah, the one item that they had some quality control problems with is not in here. So I'll go over that with you once I like get to that. Okay, I'm gonna move this box out of the way and let's look at it in more detail. All right, so these are all of the items that we got, and this right here should be a mug. So let's see here. I was really excited about the mug. I love mugs and the color. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I love this. This is beautiful. All right, so this one says change is beautiful. It has the really pretty pink. This is like my pink and gold. I love it. It's really, really pretty. Let's take a look at it here. It's got some little pitting in here. It's kind of weird, but yeah, it's really pretty. I like it. It is dishwasher safe, but you cannot microwave it. Okay, but I have a chip right here. Right there, look at that. That is chipped. So that is unfortunate, but it's really not that big of a deal. I mean, I don't like that it's chipped because, you know, it shouldn't be, but it's not horrible because it's actually at the very bottom, like you can't see it at all. And honestly, had I not been really like really like kind of looking at it so closely. I don't even know if I would have noticed that, but yeah. But I like it. It's really pretty. All right, so let's see everything that we have in here. So we have the cover. This was the cover. I already showed that to you. And it's got the same like inside where it's got the heading flag there, I guess, some lines, and then the back is just blank. But I really like that. That's going to be really pretty. And I'm going to put this on one of my notes that I have, one of my notebooks that I have from them. So that's why I wanted that size. And then let's take a look at the sticker sheet because this looks really pretty. Oh, I like these. These are pretty. Oh my goodness. It's got a gold foil and look at the little woodland animals. And I think that's what the other cover had. I think the other cover had like woodland animals on there, which is really not my thing. So that's why I opted to get this one. All right, now we've got some sticky notes. Let's take a look at these. Oh, these are pretty. Today's top to-dos. And then today's self-care. So it gives you a pretty good quantity here, like that. Okay, and then binder clips. I don't know. I mean, I don't ever use these. Honestly, the last time I used any of these binder clips, I used them for when I uncoiled my planner. So I guess, I mean, I will keep them for that purpose, but I don't really use these otherwise. Yeah, so I'm not really too excited about that item. And then we have a couple of pens here. All right, and these are the Mid-Century Circles Fine Tip Pen Duo. All right, so let's take a look. Now, I don't think I have any of their fine tips, but wow, that is super fine. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Okay, I like it because it is very fine and I like that it's black. I didn't know if it was going to be a colored pen because I really don't use them. I mean, I think that they're pretty cool, but I use them very infrequently. So these are just colored on the outside. I like the way that this writes. This is very nice. It's super smooth. And I like that we have like, you know, some fall colors. I think that that's really pretty. I'm glad that they're not colored ink because I prefer it to just be black ink, which it is. All right, and then we're missing the one item here is the Raspberry Ombre 3-pocket zipper pouch. That's the item. I'm going to show you a picture of it here. That was the item that they were having quality control issues with, and they went ahead and sent us out an email to let us know that we will be receiving it as soon as they get in ones that are, I guess, don't have any problems with it. So that was really nice. Customer service got on that right away. Apparently they had sent some out to people, and that's when it was brought to their attention there was a problem. What the problem was, I have no idea, and I didn't get it, so I will be getting it in a separate shipping to me. But that's everything. So here is the different covers that you had to choose from. This one's the little woodland creatures. Really not my thing. I really liked the leaves, and that's what I got, so I'm really happy with that. All right, so that's everything in the Erin Condren seasonal surprise box for 2022. And would I get this box again? I don't know. You know, I think it would really just depend on what it is that's going to be coming in the box. Now, from this personal experience here, I feel like they showed us the big things because I already knew I was going to get the mug, which I absolutely loved. I think that that's probably was what like really like drew me in because it's my color, it's gold foil, it's got the leaves, it's just so pretty. It goes with my office and all of my aesthetics. And I love the cover. I like that we could choose the different covers for the planners. I don't know if every box comes with a cover. I don't know if this is is something new that they're going to be incorporating, you know, moving forward in the seasonal boxes that we see in the future. But I mean, that was kind of nice to be able to do that. And then the other sneak peek that I saw was the pouch that unfortunately they had the quality problem with, which of course I'm going to receive it. The sticky notes are nice. The stickers are cute. The pens seem really nice. Like I would use those. Not going to use the clips. So everything in here I am happy with. Oh, it was $40. I forget how much the covers sell for separately. Whether I would do it again would really depend on the sneak peeks that we got. So it seems like the big items were the sneak peeks and everything else was just little accessories. So, you know, keep your eye open for sneak peeks when they release. I'm assuming they're going to release like a winter box. I'm assuming they do it for every season. So that would be like the next one coming out. I don't know if they necessarily do like a holiday box. I'm really not that familiar with like what they bring out to us throughout the year, but I do like the items that I got in this one. So let me know, give me your thoughts, drop a comment down below. Have you gotten this Erin Condren seasonal surprise box before? Were you happy with it or were you disappointed? Did you get this one? Just give me your thoughts. I would love to hear about them, as I'm sure anybody else would like to see it as well, because it's always fun to be able to, you know, share our thoughts and opinions, experiences with one another. And I am now an Erin Condren affiliate. I'm really excited about that. I know I have shared that in a couple of previous videos. And if you do shop through Erin Condren, I greatly appreciate you using my affiliate link. It does not cost you anything additional. It is just a great way for you to support any content creator that has an affiliate. I do receive a small commission, so thank you so much if you choose to shop my affiliate link. And that can be found down below in the description of this video. And if you like this video, be sure to hit the like, be sure that you're subscribed, hit the bell when you do, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for joining me today. Bye.